So, do you know what these are? Yeah, these are papaya, or we say papa in Jamaica. These are papaya. And did you know that the seeds are great for, it's a great natural contraceptive? Yes, it is. For those of you women who are trying not to get pregnant, this is actually a great, eating the seeds, of course you gotta chew it up. It's a natural contraceptive. It's great to inhibit pregnancy. So yes, women, those of you who are trying to get pregnant, be aware of that. Papaya seeds are natural contraceptive. So we just reaped these papayas, and yeah, just about to dig into one of them and see how sweet they are. Yes, the beauty or the joys of country living. Praise the Lord. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, folic acid, potassium, along with other minerals. It's also a wonderful addition to salads, fruit salads, and the leaves can be crushed to add to meat and to tenderize it. Did you know? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.